If we made a movie, it would be the most boring film ever shot. People love drama, but when Ajax gets involved, every twist is always the same. The action could be anywhere, an apartment, a house, or an office. You've got the remote. You control the story wherever you are. Boring. Smart, wireless, good, 1. Dumb, evil, 0. You're done, pal. Next. Maybe Ajax is smarter than your average action movie Joe. No false alarms for pets. Check. Signal strength adjustment not to drain the battery. Check. All while constantly evolving with each software update. Even the most experienced tech-savvy thief doesn't stand a chance against this machine. Intrusions are detected immediately and visually confirmed in seconds. 0 drama. It's hard to imagine heist movies in a world ruled by this professional security system. Bang! That's Hollywood shattering. Sorry if the entire film genres start disappearing. In the world of Ajax, dramatic stories still exist. They would just make for a dull screenplay. And people still make mistakes, but they're no longer fatal. If there's smoke or flame, Ajax fire detectors activate sirens and cut power to any electrical cause. And now for the final act. Your home starts to flood, so the system shuts off the water. We know what the critics will say. The characters were poorly developed and the dialogue was lacking. On the other hand, no animals or people or valuables were harmed during filming. We have peace of mind when Ajax is playing the lead, because life is a movie and security is art.